children, again in your English class. I hope you all are having good time and enjoying your lessons. Today we are going to start lesson number 2 in English language, that is naming words. We have already started this, we have already done this lesson. What are naming words? Naming word is the name of something. Now that something can be the name of a person, place, animal or thing. So we call the naming word as noun in English grammar. So children, you all must have remembered that we had studied about the name of the person, place, animal or thing before also. So in this lesson we are going to study about the different groups of nouns. What are the different groups of nouns? They are animals, birds, fruits, vegetables, workers, parts of bodies, clothes, days and months. We can divide the nouns in these different groups. There are many other groups, but in this book we are going to study about only these groups. Children, let us study about the first group, that is the name of animals. I have given you the 10 examples. Rest of the examples you can see in your book. First is bear, buffalo, camel, cat, cow. Next, donkey, fish, elephant, frog, giraffe. You know the name of other animals, you can write the name of those animals also. Next group is birds. First is butterfly, crane, duck, eagle, owl. Parrot, pigeon, sparrow, turkey, crow. These are the name of 10 birds. Other birds, if you know the name, you can write their names also. Next one is fruits. First is apple, banana, cherry, grapes, mango, orange, pineapple, papaya, watermelon, pear. So children, as you can see, I have given you 10 names. Other names you can see in your book, or you can find out from your parents, from your elder ones also. Next one is vegetables. Brinjal, cabbage, carrot, cauliflower, onion, peas, potato, radish, pumpkin, okra. Okra or ladyfinger, that is bhindi, that most of the children love. Next one is workers. Worker may be barber, carpenter, doctor, farmer, fisherman, nurse, painter, soldier, tailor, washerman. Now parts of body: head, eyes, ears, nose, mouth, hand, teeth, neck, arms, thumb, legs, feet. Children, you can write the name of other body parts. If you know them, you can write it yourself or you can see in your book. Next group is clothes. Shirt, trousers, cap, jeans, hat, socks, sari, skirt, frock. These are the groups of clothes. Days of the week, you already know it: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and last one is Saturday. Name of the months: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. These are the name of 12 months. Children, we already know the different groups of nouns. So first exercise that is given in your book is you have to give the three names of each group. Children, as you can see, many groups are given here that are Some groups we have already studied and some are the new groups. You have to write the names, 3 examples in each group. Like fruits. So children, what are the three fruit names? You can write apple, banana, and you can write any other fruit, that is orange. Food group: rice, then you can write burger, and you can write dal, or you can write cheese. All these come in the group of food. Then drinks: juice, milk, and tea. Name of the birds: parrot, duck, owl. Name of the animals: cow, lion, zebra. Name of the person. So children, you can write the name of not the workers only, but you can write the name of person. So that person may be your father, that may be a girl, or a doctor. So these are the name of the person. Doctor is the worker, but he is a person. That same way father and girl, they are the name of the person. Building: Red Fort, then Taj Mahal, and then one more building that we can write is Qutub Minar. Vegetables: potato, then onion, and last one that we can write is tomato, or any other vegetable that you can write. So first exercise we have done today. Rest of the exercise we will do in our next class. Now this lesson will be continued again in your next class. Thank you children, and